describe, give me different kinds of trees. Go. Apple tree. How about you say?
Christmas tree.
Christmas tree. Animals that you can only see in the ocean.
Fish.
Louder.
Fish.
What kind of fish?
Eagle.
Fish bone.
Really?
Shark. Very good. How about you?
Crocodile.
Crocodile or saltwater crocodile. Say, give me any kind of fish that you can see or animals that you can see in the ocean.
Shark.
Louder.
Shark.
Shark is already given. Aside from shark.
Baby shark.
Now, give me different kinds of animals that has 4 legs. Go.
Cow.
Cow.
Crocodile.
Crocodile. Puro ka crocodile. Crocodile. You say.
Chicken.
Pero walang yung pangalan ng chicken eh. Aside from that.
Two chicken.
What?